So good morning, Michael. Let's talk about the continuation on the candles yesterday's class. So I told us there are basic candles. There are four candles that I trade mostly. Good. There are four candles that I trade mostly that I feel or have confirmed are responsible for much moves in the market, of which I told us the first three candles signify a possible reversal. By possible reversal, I mean like let's say the market has been bullish for a long while. On you seeing either of the first three candles, the doji, the hammer, and the three candle formation, it's telling you trend might reverse for a short while soon. Then once you see an engulfing candle at the tail end of the trend, then the reversal is confirmed. Like that zone is now a reversal zone and market has changed structure. So let's go to the charts now and look for something to work with. So let's work with okay, let's work with Euro cards. It's been a while I checked this paper. Let's go. See. So let's see. Let's work with the daily. Okay. I traded these ones some months back. Okay. Let's trade this stuff. Good. Let's see. Let's see. This was see an engulfing candle here. We had this nice push to the upside. This nice push as a what do we call it? An impulsive push, bullish push, correction, an impulse again. And here now gave us a nice, this green engulfed the red candle. See what happened afterwards. It was a nice demand zone rather, for buys. Had this push to the upside. Very nice engulfing candle happened here and we saw the push to the upside. An engulfing candle happened here, telling us the trend, what's it called? The selling trend has finished, and this one wants to continue the upside. So that's an engulfing candle there. Then see here too, we had these short sales to the downside. Getting here, a hammer candle formed. Look here. This one is an inverted hammer. I just call it a hammer, no issues. Know what the candle means. This is a hammer candle. The hammer formed and what happened? The trend reversed, went up. Then see here again. We had this bullish push to the upside till this dragonfly doji, or just call it a doji candle formed. When the doji, this sharp doji formed, the market changed bias. Doji formed there, a hammer formed, the market changed. Here again, the trend was a little bearish. Getting to this point, your hammer formed. Hammer formed, and what happened? Market went up. That's it. That's it. Good. Here, the trend was bullish. Impulse, correction, impulse. Getting to this point, your doji formed another doji, giving you the three candle formation. Three candle formation, which is either your evening or your morning star. And what happened afterwards? The trend reversed. So when I say these four candles move the market, I know what I'm seeing. Like I've seen them over and over again. Yeah, you had this nice sell to the downside. What happened? The doji formed here. It's looking like a hammer as well. What happened next? The trend reversed to the upside. Like you can go through this stuff over. Good. Yeah, we had a ranging market here. Had a ranging market here. And we had this bullish push to the upside. What happened here? A doji formed. I told you, doji shows possible trend reversal. Like the trend is not confirmed till we had this red engulfing this green candle. What happened afterwards? I told us once this engulfing candle comes in, the trend reversal is confirmed. What happened next? We had this nice push to the downside. Getting to this point now, a hammer formation occurred, two hammer formation, possible reversal as well. What happened next? We had this push to the upside. Let's see here too, impulsive push to the upside. What formed here? Your 2G candlestick formed and we saw this nice push to the downside. Here again, you had this sell count, this sell market, sell bias here. Let's see here, the doji formed. After the doji formed, what happened? We had this nice push to the upside. Let's look for another pair, ROCHF. Let's do what we know how best to do. Good. See here, an engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. That was it here. What happened afterwards? Can see market dropped drastically, like drastically. The market sold drastically because of the engulfing. The engulfing shows strength drastically. And even if you pay it to the front, can see the reaction there, but we'll talk about entry points much later. Then getting here, what happened? We saw this nice sell to the downside. Coming here now, a doji formed. After the doji formed, what happened? Saw this nice push to the upside. Getting here as well. Extreme of this bullish push. Doji formed to this gravestone doji. You see a doji formed. What happened next? Nice push to the downside. Here again, doji formed, market sold. Doji formed, market bought. Doji formed, market sold. Doji again, market sold. So you see these candles everywhere. Okay, let's check gold. I hardly trade gold, but let's check, let's check, and see for ourselves if this stuff is true or not. Yeah. Rather than engulfing candle, you're confirming this bullish whatever push. This engulfing candle, you can see the push afterwards. Yeah, good. Add this doji from like you had this impulsive push after the doji from you have two selling weeks because I'm on weekly chart currently. Yeah, good. We had a ranging market here. Then this hammer formation came in here. And what happened? We had this bullish push, the upside. Hammer formed here. Hammer formation here. Hammer formation. An engulfing candle formed. What happens? That is nice sell to the downside. Correction. Another sell. Correction. Another doji formation. Then what happened? Another nice sell to the downside. Then here again, you had a hammer formation here. What happened next? Nice sell. Had a three candle formation here. What happened? Nice sell. Here again, you had your three candle formation as well. Three candles together. What happened? A nice sell again to the downside. Then here you had this selling market, this downward trend. And when this hammer formed, the market changed bias. So the idea of this candles is just simply look for the candles, these four candles at the tail end of a trend, a previously running market. Look for the candles at the tail end of the trend. If you see the first two, three, wait for a little confirmation, market will reverse. And once you see an engulfing candle, it's setting. Okay, guys, so we'll talk more on the candles and structure mapping together later on our next video. Stay put. Peace.